welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we got this pop and look. Did we do it just like Kathleenlights? If you guys want to see how we got this look, just keep on watching. I don't have the same products as her besides her palette, so let's just jump right in and see what we can do. The Taurus shade, that nice light to brown shade all over. She used an actual eyelid primer. You already know I use my old Tarte concealer. Into the lid, she's gonna do that cut crease. Gonna grab some of that Virgo shade and focus it on the outer corners a little bit. Place it there, then look up, because once you look fully up, that's your ending of your crease. I have the brush she's using in this shade all over the lid. She says she doesn't use like any water or anything to make this more sparkly. Sorry, but I'm not tight lining. She freaking does all that crazy. We skipping it. Did you guess it? Foundation here. Again, this is years old too. To be honest, this is 3 years old because I literally was with Clinique 3 years ago. So let's look how dark that is. Wow, this is not my color. I'm going with my Dior as usual and her little swipes. This is exactly where I get cakey, so I'm only gonna do tiny bit because I'm used to try to do this and I instantly get cakey right in this area. So I'm like, ugh, I hate putting concealer there, and it's so necessary to me. Da Vinci. The Taurus, and we're gonna smoke it out on the waterline. Capricorn, that's the black shade. It has glitters in there, so she taps it off, taps off the glitters, and just gonna keep that real close right in here. The Lower Geller, the Amrezy highlight. Take this lip liner. Haven't tried it before. It's from Appeal. This is a really pretty color. It's called Sugar and Spice. So, 1, I didn't have any of her products besides the palette. 2, I didn't follow 100% how she does it. I did mostly, besides like the inner corner highlight, I used my finger. Do we look like each other? I hope you enjoyed this video and me trying to copy Kathleenlights on my look. I enjoyed it. I dig it. I can't stop staring at myself, so that tells you something. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like and comment. Tell a friend to subscribe. Share this video with the part of Yaya fam. Thank you so much for all your guys' support. Just keep on helping me grow, and you guys have a blessed day. Bye.